Welcome to MarineMax. I'm Jay Calca, and today I'm going to be showing you a brand new 2022 Harris 210 Sunliner. This one right here has this nice accent color right here. Just has a lot of bling to it, really good look. Also the addition of the docking lights and your flip up cleats here, so you don't stub your toe on that when you're walking around outside of the fencing. As you notice, we have the full M bracket that goes all the way down, so that's one solid piece. It makes it so you don't get this kind of action in the water. It keeps you more stable, helps you cut through the waves a lot easier. Here at the transom, you'll see the signature stainless steel telescoping ladder that Harris outfits their boats with. This protrudes out so you won't get going under the boat when you're trying to board. Also, this does have the 150 horsepower Mercury. It's a great setup for the 21-foot boat. This being a Sunliner, it is one step up on the luxury model. I'll show you what that's about when we get up top. Also, this does have the full-length tune, which gives you the bigger gas tank of 38 gallons. So we're here at topside. One of my favorite features of this boat is the ski tow bar. So you can pull people on tubes, do some water skiing, do some wakeboarding, all the fun activities you want to do on the water. That will accommodate that. You have a nice storage spot right here. Underneath, plenty of room to store what you need. This also does have a fence-mounted grill that we can mount to the fence wherever you'd like it. Also, the addition of cooler that's built in, so you don't have to bring extra coolers. You can fit all your snacks and your drinks in there for the day. As we move forward, you'll see that this is a single lounger design. You can sit facing forward, sit facing aft, watch the kiddos while they're out there tubing, or you can lay out and get some sun, work on your tan. As I said, this is a Sunliner, so you do see the nice stitching here, pillow top, so a lot more comfortable. You also have the upgraded Helm Seat, which gives you that higher back. This is outfitted with a Simrad Go 7, so you got your engine diagnostics, your chart plotter, your fish finder. Also has the full lighting package that will light up under the seats and the cup holders. As you notice, this does have the JL audio system, and it is the Diamond package, which includes an amp and sub. This system definitely can drown out any other music you don't want to hear. As you see here, we do have the induction wireless charger here, so no wires at the helm. Makes it a lot easier to deal with driving the boat. And then up front, you got plenty of room here to lounge out as well. And something they did in 2021 was add USB ports in all of the cup holders. So now you're not having to fight over one USB port to charge everybody's phone. As we move to the middle here, you'll see this addition they started doing last year as well. Nice flip out table. That will be in addition to the black acrylic table that will be mounted up front here, which is removable as well. If you're interested in taking a look at this boat, call me, Jay Calca, at 850-225-9797.